Hi guys, Christina Nichols for Hollywood Junkie with choreographer mentor Travis Wall, who's also nominated for an Emmy, which we'll find out what happens with that.
In a month.
In a month?
Yeah, in a month. Actually, a month from like tomorrow, in 2 days. A month and in 2 days.
Look at you counting down the days.
I'm not counting down the days. That's a lie. Take that back. I just know my calendar.
It's okay. It's
Yeah.
okay. What is that feeling like, waiting to find out?
It's different every year. You know, you kind of go like, oh, I'm not gonna get this year. And then you come like, oh, it might be. And then there's like oh, I definitely think. And then it's like, and then there's no expectation. So this year, again, it's just like, I'm so excited to be there, and it's gonna be so much fun with your peers nominated. And yeah, I always get really excited for Katsuya's right next to where the Emmys take place. So no matter what, I'm like, I'm gonna have Katsuya after this. So that's it. Always makes it better.
Although you can go there anytime.
Yeah, well, no, actually, and Katsuya, though, we want to buy downtown. Like, I'm never buy a Katsuya anyway, so like, I always save it for hopefully the one time a year I'm nominated. I'll just go to Katsuya then.
That's your treat, no matter what happens.
Yeah. No matter what, we drink no matter what. That's what happens.
There. So tonight we lost a couple of the girls. Were you surprised?
We lost all girls. We lost four girls. Woo.
I was thinking just in terms of team stage.
Oh yeah.
On your team.
Yes.
But yeah, 4 girls. Twitter saved the boys.
Yes.
Were you surprised?
It could have gone either way. You know, I personally tweeted Save Alexa because I know Derek has a huge Twitter and Instagram following and she doesn't, so I was kind of trying to help her out with that and thinking about the progression of the show. She'd never been in the bottom and she has never fallen short in a performance, and I felt that Derek and Kate have been getting the same notes. So I just felt like Alexa, you know, I was trying to give her that little push, but Derek's safe, and he's an incredible dancer, and I know he's going to bring it next week, and, you know, they saved him for a reason. They saw something in him, and I know he's going to prove himself.
They want to see him, give him a chance to get some more swag.
Absolutely.
Under his belt.
I don't know if you're going to be able to get more swag, but let's see him do another stage number. It'll be incredible.
Oh, you know.
Yeah.
Each time gets a little bit easier.
Yeah.
The pieces tonight were gorgeous. There were some really lovely contemporary pieces, and we didn't get a chance to talk to Sonia tonight, but I mean,
our last
how
group
proud
number.
were you of the dancers and that they got to perform such a lovely piece?
They had emotional breakthroughs, and they you know, I just have to say this, from the very first time that the team stage has danced together into where they've gotten as a group is incredible. Besides that, they've knocked it out of the park every single week when it comes to the group dances. So regardless of what they do during the show and their duets, when it comes to group dances and them as a team, they have outdanced Team Street the entire season up to now. We will not be doing Team Stage and Team Street numbers next week because there's going to be so many all-star numbers with the contestants, and we're going to see each contestant by themselves with an all-star. But just to talk about the journey that they've all made in the top, the group dances, I could not be more proud. From the first one, and then you just see the progression go into that last number. I mean, they're incredible, are they not? I mean,
it was beautiful.
Yeah, so
it was really a fantastic.
Very proud of them, and you know, we still got lots to go.
So does that mean we're not going to see? So it's from
Just
here on
next
out,
week. No,
or is it just this week?
Yeah, just next week. They won't be doing a group routine together, individually with their teams. But
maybe
yeah, and it was, you know, everyone's crying upstairs, and it's bittersweet because you're really sad someone's leaving, but you're super excited for yourself. And you know, at this moment, you have to be so proud that you're here. Now you've got to compete. You know, you just watched your 2 friends go, and now you have to realize that you're here for a reason, and that you have to try to win the show. It's not about getting second place. It's not about just getting on next week. It's about winning the show. And now you got to be competitive because there'll be so many other people that want to be in your position, and that's the mentality you have to have, and we're going to bring it next week.
So you feel like this week is going to be a major shift in terms of dancers being individuals.
And now they're by themselves. They're by themselves with an all-star, and now you get to really see what a contestant is by themselves, and they get to do a solo. So now you get to see their solos. So now we're starting to really size up the competition on who really should be staying, and not just like, well, they didn't get a good routine this week, and I didn't like them with that partner. Now you're really seeing all-stars, and they're planned, and everything is going to be impeccable as far as choreography goes. So the top 10 week with all-stars is always one of the best episodes of the season because the dancing and the bar has just raised completely. So I'm very excited to see it.
So tune in next week, guys, to watch your top 10 and get your votes in.
Yes.
Thank you so much.